The second technology that I'm going to present is called Adobe Spark. My audience for this video is for students. My objective is students will be able to organize their writing. Students will be able to engage their audience using detailed writing. I used ISTE 5A and ISTE 5B for this technology. Here on Adobe Spark, when you get to the home page, the first thing that will happen is you're going to hit the plus sign to start something new. You can create a post, a page, or a video. With our writing, I want us to create a video. So we'll hit the video here. Here we're going to add our title. So for our most recent project, we would use our animal that we created or creature. So Dogzilla was one that I remember someone doing. We'll title that. Here is just our template. You can use whichever one you choose. Sometimes it's just as easy to start from scratch. Down at the bottom. Now here you're going to have an option of adding your voice. You can add video. You could add just pictures if you like, or just text. So on your right hand side, here's where you're going to pick the layout for each slide. And let's try split screen for this first one. Actually, we'll do full screen since it's maybe going to be our title page. So here, when you do something with full screen, you can do video or photo. Let's do an icon here. We'll look for a dog, and you can look for icons within the browser here. You don't have to go outside and upload images. You can do that, but you don't have to. We're going to use this guy, and I can make him bigger. Well, maybe add here another photo if I'd like. So you can really truly do so much with this. I can add that picture for the whole slide, and then I could get rid of this icon if I want and just do text. So I might do Dogzilla. Now you can't really edit the text once you put it in there. They determine what the size of the text is, what the font is, but it will automatically adjust. So if I wanted to put tons of text, it's going to make it smaller so it will all fit. So there's my title slide. And now that I have that, I can go on and do my next slide. And I'll just hit the plus sign here. And we can try a different layout. Split screen might be a good one. And again, you have these options for each side. Now let's say I do put a video on this side. It's going to ask you to upload a video, but after you upload the video on this side, they're going to ask you to do something different on the other side. We could put a photo here, and so then on this side you can do photo or text. Kind of limits what you can do in each screen. So we can add this, and then if I click on this red button here, it's going to record my audio. It will allow you to record audio up to 10 seconds per slide. Let's say I try recording my audio and I don't like the way it sounds. It will simply, I can just delete that for that slide and try again. And I can add on that audio for each slide. Another feature here, you can have background music playing. So let's see if we can hear that. And there's these very different musics all the way through here, so you can add those to the background to be playing along with your video. And you can put as many slides as you'd like. Then you can always go back here to this play button and preview. This is good because versus Google Slides, I can do my voice, I can do the video, I can do the audio all in one, and then just hit play. So after I'm done completely, I'll come up here to where it says share. I can preview first and then I can share, and it will create a link for me to send out. This is so much fun for students. It provides them many opportunities, like I said, to add the video, the audio, the music. It makes it a really engaging experience for not only the student, but also whoever their audience is. So we'll come here.